Blush is that thing that you can add to your face that brings warmth and color back to your face. Until I learned this, I didn't know I was making a mistake on blush placement, especially on how the blush was going to make my face look. I'm going to show you how to place a blush to get your desired effect. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, when it comes to makeup, there are places on your face where you put makeup to achieve a certain look, okay? Today's video is specifically on blush placement. But before we jump into the video, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel and you are watching this video, I don't understand. So go ahead and subscribe. You want to make sure that you see my videos, right? So click that notification bell. That's where you can see when I post a new video. If you don't thumbs up the video, how will I know that you like the video? So remember to thumbs up the video. Let's go ahead and jump into the video so I can show you the proper place to put your blush. First, I'm going to go ahead and apply some contour or bronzer or whatever it is that you do. You're going to do that, okay? If you need to know your contour and your concealer placements, I will link a video down below so you can check that out as well. Okay, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of it to the sides of my face to just narrow my face a little bit more. Pinched in. Okay, I'm using the one size made for shade. This is the Deep Trio. It's very nice. I like it. I use it a lot. Okay, so I'm taking the second part of the Deep Trio and I'm going to use that to contour my nose. I don't like using very deep products to contour my nose because then it looks like you have a landing strip on your face and I hate that look. Let's move into the blush. Okay, we're gonna be using the one size cheek clapper. Cheek clapper. Okay, we're using the cheek clapper in the shade Fire Starter. I'm taking one of my brand brushes. This is actually a face brush. I think my cream blush is growing mold. I like using the orange shade that's in here. It's very nice, very balanced. If you're a beginner at makeup, this is a good palette for you, especially because the colors, you have to build it up. What I've been doing is applying my blush to the highest points of my cheekbone up here on top of my contour. This way it helps blend this harsh line that you see in my contour and it also helps lift my face. Okay, so I'm going to place it high above my cheek, almost like next to my eye kind of. And I like applying it in a circular motion or like in a sweeping motion because I don't just pat it in. That would give it like a very harsh line that I don't want. Okay, so a sweeping motion helps it blend into my skin to where it looks like it's coming from within. You can tell right now my face is lifted. It's making me look like I'm smiling even though I'm literally just looking straight at you. Step number one, if you don't like how your blush looks on you anytime you apply it, definitely try this technique. See how you like it on your face. If you don't like it, then you can go ahead and change it. The next thing that I'm going to do is use the blush to add some warmth to my forehead where I applied my contour shade. I like to run my blush brush over where I place my contour. This action gives this contour a little bit of help to help it warm up. You can see that on the right side of my face looks warmer. The left side of my face, which looks very dramatic, very unblended essentially, right? I really like placing blush high up because of that look that it gives, that lifted look that it gives to my face. Now, another place that I've been loving to put is on my nose. I don't know, it just gives a good look to my face. Another place I've been loving to put is on my lip because it gives me that look of love. And I just absolutely love how it looks on me. It's also very helpful to go over any parts of your face that you put your blush, especially if you feel like it's too much. Go over it with the tool that you use to apply your setting powder, and that will help you mute. This is what my face looks like with blush, and this is what it looks like without the blush. Let's apply some blush to the other side of our face so we can see what it all looks like once it's done. Okay, so this is what it looks like on how I apply blush to make my face look lifted and almost kind of sort of as if I'm smiling even when I'm not smiling. Okay, so let me know down below in the comments if this helps you in any way, shape, or form. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.